Hey, I'm Johnny from Johnny's Vintage Motorcycle Company. This is 83 Honda Goldwing. I have no idea why the engine's out of it. I don't have a clue. Bike has 32,000 miles. It's missing the radio here, but it's got the caddy here. Now, what we have here is sensational condition. And the wheels are nice, the fairing's nice, fender, I mean everything is nice. This bike sat inside, and keep in mind it's a 1983. So let's go over here. Now we have a seat with a Travelcade cover. Then we have the carburetors, which are probably pretty cool, I think. I've got the belt guards for the front of the cover, or the front of the motor. The side covers, I have the one wrapped up. The side covers are nice. They're nice. The gas tank, or the gas tank cover, shell, what do you want to call it? This is nice. This is nice original paint. I don't want to say perfect, but I'm talking a scale 1 to 10, minimum a 9, minimum. We got these lower guards here, they're nice. And we've got the tour pack here. It's really nice, with the exception of the covers gooned. And we also, I don't know, this is some kind of protector from Honda or something, I'm sure, but I don't know what it's all about. Looks like a decal or something right here. And then we might have an extra reflector. I can't say that for sure. Inside is sensational. This is a very nice bike, and we're going to part it out. And also keep in mind, we have a title for this motorcycle. So we come over to here. Over here we have the original exhaust, which we're going to clean up. It looks really bad now, but it'll clean up. I don't see any holes. Now, over here by the heat shields, I see it's been gooned right here. But boy, this be a nice piece for a stock bike, and we see no rotting whatsoever. Then we have a windshield here that he was in a club called the Retreads. So anyway, that's a spare windshield. The windshield that's on the bike looks pretty good. Now if we come over to here, we also have a trailer that was painted to match the 83. The tires are dry rotted, and I ordered a new set of tires and rims for this trailer. I mean, it needs polished out and stuff. I mean, but it will look good. In here we have extra parts such as the radiator, engine bolts, just stuff. This looks like something for the air cleaner. I imagine this is the tool case for the air cleaner, the combo thing. Headlight bucket. Burglar alarm, possibly. I don't know. And then we'll come and I'll show you pictures of the motor. Go. Okay, so next is the engine. And like I said earlier before, this is a GL1100. The valve cover looks good on the right hand side here. I'm not sure about the left because I'm not over there, but we would sell parts out of this. This all needs cleaned up. But like I said before, I don't have a clue about the engine. And what the guy told us was his dad was going to put a larger motor in the bike, but I do not know if this motor is any good or not, and it'd be too much work for us to put it in a motor or in a frame and test it. So we're going to be selling this as is also. So If there's any interest out there, let us know. We don't normally do anything with the Goldwing, but we have one now and we're going to be parting it out. So hopefully somebody can use something. And this is nice paint and everything for the future. Okay, thanks.